Podcast, Litecoin LTC, Introduction and Analyze. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kryptonite, your go-to podcast for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into one of the oldest and most trusted names in the cryptocurrency world, Litecoin, or as many call it, the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Whether you're new to the crypto scene or a seasoned investor, this episode will give you a deep dive into what makes Litecoin unique and how it stands in the current market. So, let's get started. Segment 1, the genesis of Litecoin. Litecoin, abbreviated as LTC, was created by Charlie Lee in 2011, just 2 years after Bitcoin. Lee, a former Google engineer, envisioned Litecoin as a lighter version of Bitcoin, focusing on faster transaction times and lower fees. While Bitcoin was designed to be a store of value, often referred to as digital gold, Litecoin was intended to be the currency of choice for everyday transactions, hence, digital silver. So, why Litecoin? What makes it special? One of the key differentiators is its block generation time. While Bitcoin takes about 10 minutes to process a block, Litecoin does it in just 2.5 minutes, making transactions significantly faster. And if you've ever been stuck waiting for a Bitcoin transaction to confirm, you know how valuable that time difference can be. Segment 2, Technology and Development. Now, let's talk tech. Litecoin operates on a proof-of-work consensus algorithm, similar to Bitcoin, but with a crucial difference: it uses the SCRYPT hashing algorithm. This makes mining Litecoin more accessible to people who don't have the specialized hardware required for Bitcoin mining. SCRYPT is memory-intensive, which levels the playing field and allows more individuals to participate in the mining process. The Litecoin network is also continuously developed and maintained by a dedicated team led by the Litecoin Foundation. They've introduced several enhancements over the years, including segregated witness, SegWit, and the Lightning Network, which have further improved Litecoin's scalability and transaction speed. These technological advancements show that Litecoin is more than just a clone of Bitcoin, it's a project with its own innovations and community-driven momentum. Segment 3, Mining Situation. Let's dive into Litecoin mining, an essential aspect of its ecosystem. As a proof-of-work cryptocurrency using the SCRYPT algorithm, Litecoin mining is designed to be more inclusive compared to Bitcoin. The SCRYPT algorithm requires more memory but less computational power, which means that average users with standard hardware can participate in mining activities. However, the mining landscape for Litecoin has evolved. Initially, mining Litecoin was possible with regular CPUs and GPUs, but as the network grew and difficulty increased, miners turned to more specialized hardware like ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, optimized for SCRYPT mining. This shift has made mining more competitive and resource-intensive, requiring substantial investment in mining equipment and electricity. Another interesting aspect is the Litecoin halving event, which occurs approximately every 4 years and reduces the block reward for miners. This event impacts the supply of new coins and can influence the overall mining dynamics and profitability. The last halving occurred in August 2023, reducing the block reward from 12.5 LTC to 6.25 LTC. This reduction often leads to increased competition among miners and can affect the coin's price and network security. Overall, while Litecoin's mining process is more accessible than Bitcoin's, it still faces challenges, including rising difficulty, hardware costs, and energy consumption. Despite these challenges, Litecoin remains a popular choice for miners due to its longevity and established presence in the cryptocurrency market. Segment 4, Forecast and Risks. So, where does Litecoin go from here? Given its longevity and active development, Litecoin is likely to remain a strong player in the cryptocurrency market. Its established infrastructure, loyal community, and continuous upgrades make it a reliable choice for both transactions and as a long-term investment. However, it's essential to understand the risks. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously unpredictable. Factors such as regulatory crackdowns, technological disruptions, and market sentiment can cause significant swings in value. And while Litecoin has been relatively stable compared to newer, more speculative coins, it is still a highly volatile asset. Looking ahead, Litecoin could benefit from the broader adoption of cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions, especially as more businesses start accepting digital currencies. But investors should always be prepared for the possibility of downturns and should never invest more than they can afford to lose. Conclusion, wrapping up. In conclusion, Litecoin remains a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency world, offering a faster, more accessible alternative to Bitcoin. It's a tried-and-true digital asset with a solid technological foundation and a dedicated community. But as with any investment in the crypto space, it's crucial to stay informed and be aware of the risks. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Kryptonite. If you enjoyed this analysis, be sure to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends. And as always, stay curious and stay safe out there in the world of crypto. Until next time.